everyone, this is Anam and you're watching Nexus. In this video, I'm going to tell you some important tips to appear for online exams. We know that lockdown phases are still on and things are shifted towards online mode. We attend online classes and for many of us, exams are also going through online mode. To help you out to just a change with this, we are here to give you some useful tips that you can use to appear for online exams. So without any further ado, let's move towards the tips. Okay, the first tip, have some writing practice. You know, in school, in colleges and universities, we have the habit to write down the things on our book, or we have a habit to making a notes to do a homework or an assignment. But due to the lockdown, the things are actually changed and go towards the online mode. And because of this, writing practice reduce drastically, and this thing can affect our speed while exams writing. Even to knowing everything, we might end up leaving a paper incomplete just because of our speed. So it's better to get some practice before online exams. You may solve some problems and you might write answer of a brief question just for your practice. Okay, the next important tip, set everything ready. Ensure that you have all the required materials with you because it's an online exam and you won't be able to move from your space to borrow something from someone. So keep everything needed such as pen, pencils, geometry box, ruler, or anything you need while doing online exam. And yes, it's an online exam, so you should have all the equipments with you and that are fully charged, like your cell phone, your tablet, your laptop, or whatever the equipment you are using at that time. That should be fully charged. And also ensure that you have alternate internet backup in case of needed. This is very important. And don't forget your earphones too. Okay, the third one, very important, create that ambience. While appearing exam in a school or colleges or universities, the classroom environment, the classroom atmosphere give a feel of a seriousness of the exam with zero distraction around, isn't it? Yes. So try your best to select a quiet corner of your house and ensure that no one near to you and no one around you. Try your best to select a quiet corner and there would be silence, complete silence, total silence, I must say. Because this will ensure that you get complete concentration to your exam and there is no distraction around. Okay, the next tip, plan for a quick revision. On the day before exam, ensure that you plan for a quick revision and it has to be quick, actually very quick. Revise all the content, all the concept you have studied, and if you have running short of time, then it's advisable don't try any new thing. Don't try to study any new chapter and any new content just before exam day. But revise all the concept that you have already studied and ensure that you study each and everything and recollect it. During your exam, log in before 15 minutes actual time, so that there is no tactical issue while logging in, and listen the instruction carefully by your instructor and by your teacher as well. And yes, clear your doubts with respect to how to write personal information, how to write personal detail like your name, your roll number. And the final submission of a paper should be the file in image or as well as PDF. Ensure that in which format, in which form you have to submit your paper. And also confirm that if you have to submit the hard copy of your paper in the school. Keep the question paper in front of you and be very careful while you are writing the question number. Keep your handwriting legible and solve the required question, attempt the required question. And if you are not confident about any particular question, that question should be attempted at the end. And keep focus only recollecting, analysis and answering the question. While taking image of an answer sheet for submission, make sure that image should be clear. So the answer and every line of the answer should be readable easily by your teacher. The image should not be blurred. So click it properly and make sure you send the exact and same file to your teacher, because this is very important. Alright student, with this we end up this session and hope so these tips will help you. Thank you so much for watching.